Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm back with another unboxing video. So I recently ordered a portable car washer from Amazon and it just arrived today. So I'll be unboxing the portable pressure car washer and I will try it and see if it's any good compared to a regular pressure washer. So without any further delay, let's get to it. So this is the Amazon package, guys. Let's try to open it first. It's a bit clumsy, I guess. Packaging is quite good, must admit. Amazon in recent years they've improved their packaging quite a lot. I think that it depends on the seller also, but overall most of the sellers they have decent packaging. I've never been disappointed with packaging. Here we go. Oh, let me put that aside. So here it is. As usual, generic electronic product from China. Now let's open it up and see. Okay, what are the contents? This is, you get a user manual. This is the hose, suction hose. I believe these are the different attachments. This is the filter, etc. This is the foam bottle when you want to foam the car. This is the actual gun. It is made of plastic. Looks like it is hard plastic. Feels a little fidgety. I think build quality is overall decent, and comes with 2 batteries. So I'm going to put this on charge and then show you how to attach the different attachments to batteries. In order to charge, as you can see, there is a connection here. This is the slot where we will connect the battery, and this is the battery. You can see these are the sliding shoe area where the gun will connect. So we will take it like this and slide it all the way in. Okay, now this is connected, and this, in case when you want to change the battery, you can just press like this and slide it out, slide the gun out. So let's just charge it now. You get a charger attached with it. So you will connect it here, and let's see, where's the charging port. Okay, so this is how we charge it. The charging port is located at the foot of the, so once you connect the charging battery to the charging, the LED will display red. That means it is charging now. Hey guys, as the battery is charging, meanwhile let's connect our gun. So this is the gun here, and this is the hose. This is the forward part, the I don't know how to call this. So we will first connect this to the gun. So this is a threaded piece, so you can just screw it like this There you go. We should go easy on this, as this is a plastic thread. You don't have to over tighten it. And then this. Okay, so this is set, and this is the end where you can change the connections, the end connections. So we have this connection, which will give you a linear spray. You can just connect it like this, push it all the way in, and then voila. This attachment will give you a linear spray. And then we have another attachment here. This will give you an angled spray. So you will use this when you are trying to wash the car, and you will use the linear spray when you want to remove some hard dust or dirt on your car. So we'll see. Hey guys, so now we have our hose here. So let's try to connect the hose. This thing comes with a filter. This here is a filter, suction filter. So this is to prevent any dirt from going inside your machine that may damage it. So you'll have to attach it somewhere like this. You can just put it in. I think this is a snug fit. This is a snug shrink fit. You can just push it like this. Just make sure you don't over press it, or the hose may get deformed. I really want to. Yep. I think this should be good enough till here. So guys, this is the attachment which will get attached to the portable washer. So on the other side of the hose, as you saw earlier, is the suction filter. So we will take like this. We will have to take it like this, and then here, as you see, is another. This is where you will attach the hose. Just try to put it like this. The hose looks like it's quite durable. The quality is good. Just push it like this, and then we can tighten up. Okay. So here, this will prevent the hose from coming out. So this attachment will get attached here to the base. So now we have our hose ready. We also get a foam bottle with this. You can fill your soap, car shampoo, and then you can create foam. So you can fill this with car shampoo and water to create foam, and then this comes, you can just turn and this snaps in, and then you will have to attach it here at this end. So yeah, there you go. So when you're spraying water, the water will get mixed with the foam inside, with the shampoo inside, and it will create a layer of foam that you can spread it all over your car, and then you can wash it. So now we are all set. Now let's go and wash our car. So guys, this is the present condition of my car. There's some underbody dust, there's some underbody mud here, and as you can see, there's some on the body as well. These parts have quite amount of dust. So we will try to wash and see how effective this portable washer is. So I've taken a small bucket and I'm filling water in it. Hey guys, so I've connected the attachment and now let's see how effective this is. Just make sure when your hose is down, there are no chinks in the hose and the filter is submerged deep inside, or else this may lose suction. So we'll put our hose here, suction filter here. Now let's try this thing out. There you go. As you can see, this is the attachment for the angled spray. So guys, I've connected this new attachment and now let's see how effective this can be. As you can see, there's a lot of mud inside here and we'll try to remove it. If you're like me and if you're using an EV, you should be very careful where you're spraying water, because many of the EVs, they have wired connections and electrical parts all around, so you just have to be very careful where you're spraying water. Overall, I thought this washer will be consuming a lot of water, but I'm still using the same bucket of water that I started with, and I think this is turning out to be a very good purchase. So now here's another tire. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt, so let's try to wash it off. On this side as well. Okay guys, if your car has sunroof like my car, then one thing you should be very careful about is you should not aim the water nozzle over this part. This is the gasket between the retracting sunroof and the frame. So you should make sure that you do not direct the aim of water spray over here. It may damage the gasket and you may experience leakage in future. So the best way is to wash this area is to use the wide angle spray and then wash it with soap. So now I'm going to be spraying soap all over. So now let's see. Guys, one thing you have to be careful is when you're using the long pressure washer, the long spray, just make sure you do not hit the reverse parking cameras or parking sensors. They are very sensitive, and this long jet spray might damage them. So I'll fill this with water first, and then let's connect this and try to foam the car. Hey guys, so I filled it up with shampoo and water. Now let's connect this, and this will fit here. So this is the connection. Now let's go and foam the car. There you go. Let's see. Guys, the thickness of foam will depend on how much soap you add into the bottle. So guys, after foaming it, I'm wiping the car with this cloth, microfiber, and this is the sunroof. This area we have to be very careful. There you go. Okay guys, so after wiping the car of foam, now I will use this wide angle spray attachment and spray car with water for one final time. So let's go. So guys, I've finished spraying the car with water and I've taken out the hose from bucket. So there may be some water still trapped in the hose. So to clear that, you can just spray this for a while until no water comes out. So you can see. So guys, like you saw, there's no more water coming out. So just ensure that you do not use this machine without water supply for extended period of time, or it may get damaged. So this is the result, guys. Overall the car is looking cleaner and I'm happy with the result. Oh, it's still not perfectly clean. There's still some spots here and there, but since I'm in a hurry, I just wanted to shoot this video, I quickly cleaned it in a rush. Hey guys, so that was all about this product. In general, I really like the product. For the price paid, it is really compact and convenient to carry. It comes with a hard case in which you can put all the things and you can take it anywhere with you go. Both the batteries combined, they last long enough for you to wash your car 1 or 1.5 times. And the question, however, remains is longevity of this product. I really hope this product lasts long enough to warrant to cover the cost of this product. As usual, I've put the link to buy this product in description. And one thing to note, if you're buying this product, please buy with 2 batteries, because one battery will not be enough for you to cover one whole washing cycle. So if you did like this video, please drop a like, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, ciao.